Drill is triple threat jab shot kung saan magte-take ka ng jab step na isa whether it's right or left foot. So isang jab step lang, then shoot. Gamit to para magkaroon ka ng separation sa iyong kalaban para magkaroon ka ng tira. This drill is triple threat jab, hold, blow by. So ang kailangan natin gawin nito is we need to jab and then hold, then blow by. So vital dito yung pag-hold mo. Dahil sa gantong position ay mafe-freeze yung opponent mo and that will create an opening to make a drive to the basket. This drill is triple threat, shot fake, jab, sweep, then pull up. First na gagawin mo is take a shot, pump fake, then jab right, then attack. Always make sure na yung jab step mo ay talagang matalas para mag-off balance yung opponent mo. At the same time, kailangan magkaroon ka ng hard dribble pagka titira ka na. This drill is jab sweep. Maganda tong drill na to para i-practice ang inyong jab sweep na footwork. Tingin mo tong drill na to kung gusto mo mag-enhance yung jab step mo. So, kasama rin dapat yung bola kapag ka mag-sweep tayo. This drill is jab sweep. So, maganda tong drill na to para ma-enhance mo yung jab step mo. At the same time, pag nag-jab step ka, dapat kasama yung body mo at the same time yung bola. This drill is cone pull-up footwork. So, ang focus lang natin dito is yung footwork ninyo. So, ang gagawin nyo, pick up the ball, crossover, then cross-step, then pick up. So, kailangan yung dribble nyo dito is hard dribbles. So, if you want to improve your crossover at the same time yung footwork, do this drill. This drill is jab in, pull up. So, you need to throw the ball and then square up, then pull up. Yung pag-square up nyo sa basket is opposite. Yung move nyo ay patalikod. Kung lang sa inyo mga ka-ballers, you need to tiptoe to be able to do this move. So, jab in towards the basket, then one dribble, pull up. So, maganda to para ma-enhance ang inyong footwork at the same time yung dribbling niyo. And also your shooting. This drill is jab right and jab left. Kung saan maganda to yung drill na to para mag-improve yung jab step nyo. So, jab right, jab left, then return sa position nyo. This drill is jab right, jab left, and then turn para makabalik tayo sa position natin. So, you have to do it again, jab right, jab left, then balik sa position natin. Ano tong drill na to para ma-improve nyo yung inyong footwork at the same time hindi kayo pwedeng ma-traveling dito. This drill is square up drill kung saan mag-ipapractice natin yung pag-square up ninyo. So you need to roll the ball, then square up. Gagawin ninyo to sa corner, sa left wing, sa top of the key, sa right wing, then sa right corner. Focus lang tayo dito sa pag-square up natin sa basket. Hindi natin kailangan i-shoot. Just practicing the basic here, no? So yung pag-square up.